How to fix Google Meet not working on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix this error easy and quick on an Android phone. First, open Play Store and make sure your Google Meet is updated, and after that go back, click settings, and then scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again, and here type Meet and click Meet again. Now click for stop and then go to storage and clear cache, and that's it. Now just go back and try again, and if that doesn't fix it, it means that you need to clear data. Click on it, click OK, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.